precious name. Amen. Okay, open your eyes, everybody. Okay. Keep your mics muted, children. And let's start the class with a song. Are you ready to sing song with me? Ready? Everybody stand up. Yes. Now let's. Russian has got remote control car. I saw you. I saw you doing actions. Okay. New one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
One day give me to play. Huh? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Will you share it with me?
Yes.
I'll return it to you. I don't want it. Okay? Yes, very good. Nice to hear that. When somebody asks, you should say, I will share it with you. Okay? Okay. Okay, now listen, everybody. Are you all keep it muted? Okay, now let's start with the song with an action. Okay, I want everybody to sing and dance with me. Ready? Stand up. Stand up, everybody, and move around with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. See, I cannot turn. I'll tell you why. Because I'm stuck to a wire here. Okay? If I turn, that will get disconnected. So what I will do is I'll stand here and do action. When I say round, I want you to go round. Let's sing it. Okay, stand up, everybody. Let's sing this. Put your right hand in, put your right hand out, put your right hand in and shake it all about. Do the boogie woogie, turn yourself around, and that's all. Turn it round, round, round. Put your left hand in, put your left hand out, put your left hand in and shake it all about. Do the boogie woogie, turn yourself around, and that's all. Turn it round, round, round. Shri Veda, stand up. Yes, I see many of you dancing with me. I love to have it. Advika, Muhammad Aidin, turn on your videos. I'm not able to see the children. Nesta, Alric, Jovak, Advika. Everybody turn on your videos. Only then I'll see your child. Otherwise, I'll see only the names. Okay, and I want everybody to dance with me, and let's do it faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Put your right hand in, put your right hand out, put your right hand in and shake it all about. Do the boogie woogie, turn yourself around, and that's all. Turn around, round, round. Put your left hand in, put your left hand out, put your left hand in and shake it all about. Do the boogie woogie, turn yourself around, and that's all. Turn around, round, round. Put your right foot in, put your right foot out, put your right foot in and shake it all about. Do the boogie woogie, turn yourself around. That's all. Turn around, round, round. Aideen, put your left foot in, put your left foot out, put your left foot in and shake it all about. Do the boogie woogie, turn yourself around, and that's all. Turn around, round, round. Now, put your front side in, put your front side out, put your front side in and shake it all about. Do the boogie woogie, turn yourself around, and that's all. Turn around, round, round. Put your backside in, put your backside out, put your backside in and shake it all about. Do the boogie woogie, turn yourself around, and that's all. Turn around, round, round. Now, put your right hand, left hand, right foot, left foot, front side, back side, whole side, inside, and shake it all about. Do the boogie woogie, turn yourself around, and that's all. Turn around, round, round. Okay. Now, let's say head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Are you ready to sing head, shoulder, knees, and toes? Okay. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Let's do it faster. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, now one more song. Okay? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, touch your knees. If you're happy and your knees, your kneecap. If you're not teeth, knee. If you're, I see a nice.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Which is your knee? Muttagala, mutta. Okay. If you're happy and you know it, touch your knee. If you're happy and you know it, touch your knee. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, touch your eyes. If you're happy and you know it, touch your ears. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, touch your nose. Okay, now can we do it one more time? Put your right hand in, put your right hand out. Ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3, start. Put your right hand in, put your right hand out. Put your right hand in and shake it all about. Do the boogie boogie, turn yourself around. And that's all, turn it round, round, round. Put your left hand in, put your left hand out. Put your left hand in and shake it all about. Do the boogie boogie, turn yourself around. And that's all, turn it round, round, round. Now put your right foot in, put your right foot out, put your right foot in and shake it all about. Do the boogie woogie, turn yourself around, and that's all, turn it round, round, round. Okay, sit down everybody. Thanks. Thanks for dancing with me.
Ma'am, tired.
Tired? Okay, sit down. Exhausted? I'm doing this from first 3 class. Okay, yeah. Okay, now let's move on to our EVS topic, children. Okay, today we are looking into the 5 sensory organs. Keep it muted, everybody. I should not hear anybody unmuting and going and talking. Okay, I don't want you to talk unless asked. Do not unmute. Rifa, you're talking there. Rifa's mother, please keep it muted. Is it Rifa's sister sitting there? Please mute it. Okay, do not touch that button unless I'm asked to do so. Okay, otherwise all the talkings will I can hear. I don't want you to do it. Okay. Now children, today we are learning 5 sensory organs. Rifa, I'm coming home. Rifa, I told you not to touch. I can see you, I'm watching you. Yes. So today we are looking into 5 sensory organs. Okay, what are the 5 sensory organs, children, we have? We have our eyes, we have our ears, we have our nose, we have our tongue, and we have our skin. Okay, these are the 5 sensory organs we have. Okay, what are the 5 sensory organs?
Sensory organs എന്ന്
What are the
പറഞ്ഞാൽ
5 sensory organs?
കേൾക്കാനും കാണാനും മണക്കാനും നാക്ക്
Whose mother is that?
രുചിക്കാനും തൊട്ടാലറിയണ സ്കിന്ന് ഈ 5 സെൻസറി ഓർഗൻസ് മനസ്സിലായാ?
Mohammad Aideen's mummy, can you keep it muted, please? Okay. So we have 5 sensory organs. What are they? One is eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Okay. So what do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. What do we do? We see with our eyes. How do you see? Do you see with your nose, Drisha? No, we see with our eyes. So eye is a sensory organ. And the next one, mummy makes nice tasty biryani in the house. Okay, or sometimes mummy makes nice chili chicken at home. So you sit in the hall and you say, Amma, what are you making there? Chicken fries? Can I have some? Yes, you run to the kitchen. Yes. So how do you get that smell? Because of your nose. Your nose is a sensory organ which gets you that smell. So nose is a sensory organ. And the next one, I'm talking to you. So you're hearing me, you're listening to me. How do you hear that? Because your ear is a sensory organ and it can hear what I say. Yes. So here our ears are a sensory organ. And then 4th one, we have our tongue. Okay, we drink nice payasams and we say, wow, yummy payasam. How do you know it? Because your tongue is a sensory organ and it tells you, wow, the payasam is too good. What if you go and eat a chili? Drisha, have you tried eating a chili, hot chili from the kitchen? Yes. What happened? You eat a chili and you start crying. Ah, it's too hot. I want some water. And you run to drink water because your tongue tells you it's too hot. Do not eat chilies. Yes. So your tongue is again a sensory organ. Then we have our skin. How do you say skin is a sensory organ? See, sometimes somebody comes and hits you. Somebody comes and pinches you and you keep crying. Why? Because your skin hurts, your hand hurts, your skin, that part where they have pinched, it hurts. So you cry because your skin is a sensory organ. You feel with your skin. What do you do with your skin? You feel with your skin. Okay, sometimes if I take an ice cube from the freezer and I put it on your hand, will you like it? You will say, wow, it's very cool, can you keep some more? Yes, because our sense organ says it's very cool, it's very chill. But what if hot coffee, that if I bring it in a cup and I keep it there, oh, you take out your hand and you say it's too hot, I have burnt my hands. Yes, because your hand again, your skin feels it. Okay, your skin says it's too hot, stay away from it. Okay, so that's how our sensory organs works. Now let's repeat all this. Okay, everybody say, what are the 5 sense organs, children? That will be a question to you in science. What are the 5 sensory organs? Say that. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Say one more time. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. And skin. Okay? Now, repeat this. I see with my eyes. Say this. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. Okay, then. I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. Then. I taste with my... What do you taste with? Tongue. I taste with my tongue. Then I smell with my
Nose.
nose. Very good. Then I feel with my
Skin.
skin. I feel with my skin. Now let's leave the sensory organs. Now let me ask you some questions. I write with my... How do I write, Rifa? I write with my hands. Okay, thank you. Keep it muted. Then, no, this is not in page number, Jovak Madmi. I'm just asking questions. I'm framing questions on my own and I'm asking you. Okay, body parts is a lesson. Okay? It is not given in your textbook. You have to frame questions and ask your children. Okay, when we teach body parts, we usually do teach them the sensory organs too. Okay, yes. Now, I walk and jump with my... How do you walk and jump? Rifa, keep it muted. I can hear the noise here. Rifa, please mute it. I walk and jump with my legs. I walk and jump with my legs. Okay, now let me ask you a few questions. I'm going to put questions to all of you. Okay, so when I ask you the question, I want each one of you to give the answer. Only that particular child will unmute and give the answer and immediately mute it. Okay, yes, I'm moving on to Adya Rahul. Adya, unmute. I say with my...
I see with my
What? What do you see with?
eyes.
Very good. Excellent. Keep it muted. Christabel, I taste with my...
Tongue.
Excellent. Russian, I feel with my... Body. Huh? I feel with my... Skin. See, remote control car. Okay, you're playing with it. Okay, and it comes and hits you on your hand or your mummy's leg. Okay, immediately she says, ouch. Russian. And how do you, what do you say? How did she feel that you hurt her? Because she felt it on her legs. Yes, the skin tells her that she is hurt. Okay, so I feel with my skin. Next, Jennifer. I smell with my...
Nose.
Nose. Dhyan Madhav. I hear with my.
Ears.
Very good. Jewel. I see with my.
Hi.
Eyes. Ivania. Thank you. Ivania. I smell with my.
Nose. Nose.
Nose. Patrick. I hear with my. Unmute. It's not happening. Okay, he was touching and showing me the ears. Okay, Dave Abraham.
Yes,
Okay, very good, Patrick. Dave, I feel with my
Skin.
skin. Jova Cantony. I see with my. Unmute.
Eyes.
Eyes. Sriveda. I hear with my.
Eyes.
Hear,
Ears.
hear. Ears. Ears. I hear with my.
Ears.
Okay, Asia and Aisha. First one, Asia. I smell with my. Smell with your nose. Aisha. I taste with my
Taste with my
tongue. Drisha. I run with my.
Legs.
Very good. Aida. I jump with my. What do you jump with, Aida?
Legs.
Very good. Joanna Rose. I write with my. Hand. Alankrita. I see with my. Huh? Eyes. Rituparna. Rituparna. I feel with my.
Skin.
Skin. Anvin. I taste with my.
guitar. Taste it.
With my tongue.
Very good. Tongue. Nesta. I see with my
With my
eyes. Eyes. Eric.
Eyes.
I jump with my. Eric
jump.
Sachi. Jump with my legs. Rifa. Rifa. I write with my.
Right.
I write with my hands. Alrich. Smell with my.
Nose.
Alrich itra neram unmute ആയിരുന്നു. Okay, now give me the answer.
Nose.
Nose. Keep it muted. Srisham. Srisham. I write with my. Huh? Hands. Okay. Vaikarthen. Vaikarthen. I jump with my
Legs.
legs. Okay. Did I miss out anyone? Okay. Vaiga. Vaiga. I taste with my. Okay. I think the screen is going up and down. I would have missed some children. Let me come back to you later. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next page, please. Go to page number 14. Everybody go to page number 1414, please. Parents, please give them a pencil and help me. Please help them to choose the right answer. Okay. So as we read the correct answer, please circle it. Children, that sentence has two answers. Okay, it's actually fill in the blanks and there will be two answers given. One right answer and one wrong answer. You have to think which one is the right answer and circle it. Okay, now let me read it for you. The first one. I use my dash to see. What do you use to see with? You use your eyes. So please circle. There is two answers given. Nose, eyes. Which is the right one? Eyes. So circle eyes.
Eyes.
Yes, please circle in your textbook EYES eyes. Vaikarthan, I will send the photo of this page in the textbook. Okay, then you can read. Next one. I use my dash to walk. Legs or arms? What do you? Page number 14. Okay, page number 14. Now, I use my dash to walk. What do we use? We use our legs to walk. Please circle legs. Next one. I use my dash to write. What do we use to write? There are two answers. Nose, hands. What do you use to write? Hand. Please circle H-A-N-D, hand. And the next one. I use my dash to eat. What do you use to eat? Mouth to eat. Next, I use my dash to smell. What do we use to smell with? Our nose. Okay, we smell with our nose. So choose the right answer and circle it. Got it? Okay. Now let's move on to the next page. IG words. Are you ready, children? Okay, let's read. The first one we have fig. F-I-G, fig. What is fig? Fig is a fruit. What is it? Fig is a fruit. Can you see the picture of the fig in a textbook? That's the fruit. Okay, fig is a fruit. I-G. Okay, the next one. We see W-I-G, wig. What is a wig? Wig is a false hair. Okay, it's a false hair. We keep it for dramas, for acting. We usually see the comedy shows in the Asianet and all that. Okay, and we see some people coming and acting, and they keep some wig on their head to give the old look, young look, and all that. So they have a wig on their head. Okay, they can remove it and they can keep it back. So that's called the wig. It's a false hair. Okay, W-I-G, wig. Okay, the next one, B-I-G, big. Big means very big. The elephant is big. The blue whale is big. Okay, here we have a big tomato and a small tomato. So we say the tomato is big. Okay, the next one, D-I-G, dig. What is dig? We dig the soil to keep a plant in it, right? Where sometimes if we want to plant a sapling, what we do? We go and dig the soil and we put a plant there. So that's called dig. Now let's move on to the last one, the sentence. A big fig. What is it? A big fig. Okay. Now let me write this one for you on the screen. Please watch. Keep your mics muted. Okay, sharing my screen. Okay, so today we are looking into IG words. The first one is big, B-I-G, big. A big elephant, a big tree, a big blue whale. Okay, the next one is dig, D-I-G, dig. We dig the ground and make a hole to plant a sapling. And the next one we have is wig, W-I-G, wig. Wig is a false hair, okay? It's a false hair. Then we have pig, P-I-G, pig. Pig is not in your book. It's an animal, okay? It's a domestic animal. It is found in farms, okay? I think it almost looks like this, okay? Hope it looks like this, a pig. Okay, yes, it's a domestic animal. Then we have, wait, yes, I think we have done big fig. Yes, fig, F-I-G, fig. Fig is a fruit. Okay, now how do we make a sentence? So we make a sentence like this. A big, B-I-G, big fig. A big fig. And the next one we have is, we can also make a big pig. Okay, a big pig. So these are the two sentences which we can make with IG words. So parents, please help them to write this in their notebook. Okay. So now let's move on to the next page. Page number 18. 1818. Okay. Parents, we have there a self-introduction. Okay. So children, the next page we have self-introduction. Why we have to learn self-introduction? See, when you go to somebody's house, okay, or you come to school, okay, we will ask you, introduce yourself. What do they say? Please introduce yourself. Okay, Russian is coming to Nancy ma'am's house. Okay, and I will tell, this is Russian. Okay, so my family, they want to know who is Russian is. Apo, they will say, in Russian, please introduce yourself. Then Russian should say, hi everyone, I am Russian. Okay, I am 5 years old. I am studying in UKG. I'm studying in Dr. Raju Davis International School. Then you must say, Rashin, I don't know your dad's name. Please help me. Unmute. My father's name is.
Loudly say.
What's your father's name, Rashin?
Father.
Yes.
Allah Kanna, your father has a name.
Loudly say.
Shabir.
Shabir. My father's name is Shabir. Then my mother's name is. What's your mummy's name?
Nafia baby.
Okay, don't get tense, Rashin's mummy. It's okay. Let him tell on his own. Let him think. Allow him to think. Okay, I want him to think. Okay. Then I have how many brothers and sisters you have? You have a brother? You have a sister? You don't have anybody? You say I have no brothers. If you have one brother, you will say
I want one brother.
I have one brother. Okay. Then you must say the name of my school. Tell me the name of your school.
Your school's name? Yes. Your school's name is? Your school's
Rashin Kanna.
name is?
Dr. Raju Davis International School, Mala.
Yes.
Okay. And what is your hobbies, Rashin? Hobbies in Dana, we use drawing, we coloring, we do cycling. We have more of the activities. What do we do? Give me one of it.
Line cricket.
You love to play cricket? Okay, that's nice. Okay, my hobbies are playing cricket. Now let me go to Vaikarthan. Vaikarthan, are you ready to introduce yourself? Yes, give me the name. Who is that? Huh?
I have a sister.
Who is that? Vaiga, are you speaking?
Aiden.
Okay. Vaiga, keep it muted and Aiden speak.
Mom.
Wait, 1 minute, Vaikarthan. Vaiga, please mute it. Okay. Who spoke now? Aiden? Okay, Aiden, talk now. Unless I have called your name, do not unmute. I think you're staying with your sister and you're playing there. Okay. Now, Vaikarthan, introduce yourself. After that, Aiden, be ready to introduce yourself. Okay, Vaikarthan, go ahead. Speak.
I got one brother.
Not that. I want you to introduce yourself. How do you introduce yourself? Joanna, keep it muted. I see some of you simply coming and unmuting yourself. Do it.
I am.
You have to say, my name is Vaikarthan.
My name is Vaikarthan.
I am. Okay, now listen. Vaikarthan, and keep it muted. Now listen to Nancy ma'am, how I am going to introduce myself. And somebody is telling you, please introduce yourself. You have to come there. Okay, give a big smile. And then how do you start? You must say, hi everyone. I am Nancy. I am 5 years old. I'm studying in UKG. Okay, I'm studying in Dr. Raju Davis International School, Mala. My father's name is Michael. My mother's name is Jessie. I have a sister and my hobbies are gardening and painting or drawing. You can say anything like that. Okay, now I want, Jennifer, to introduce yourself fast. And parents, let me tell you something. For the next happy hour, I want each of my children introducing themselves. Okay, today we don't have much time to make everybody speak. So what we will do is, I want all of my children to speak about themselves, introduce themselves. Okay, I have heard many of them speak very less during the happy hour. Okay, so I want my children to introduce themselves. So on Thursday, I would love to listen all of them introducing themselves. Okay, Jennifer, go ahead. Introduce yourself, Jennifer.
My name is Jennifer.
Okay.
I am studying 5.
Jennifer's mummy, stay calm. Let her think. Let her, Jennifer, the mummy. Let whatever she has understood, let her speak. Parnyo, Jennifer, how old are you? I am.
I am studying
5 years
5 years
old. Then, which class are you studying? Make it fast. I am studying in. Okay, be ready for the next class. Okay, Jennifer's mummy. Who else can say? Now, Rituparna, can you say? Rituparna Sridev, can you introduce yourself? Go ahead. Introduce yourself.
Christabel.
Okay, go ahead, Christabel. Introduce.
My name is Christabel Lijo.
Okay.
I'm studying in UKG.
Mm.
My father,
My father's name is?
my father's name is Lijo George. My
Okay.
mother's name is Pinky Lijo.
Mm.
I am 5 years old.
Mm. What's your hobby? My hobbies
My-
are?
Is painting.
Excellent. And also dancing. You love to dance, no?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So very smart. Very good. See how Christabel spoke? She didn't prepare anything, but she jumped out with answers. Yes, Christabel muted. Muted, Christy. I have one sister. Okay, keep it. Okay. So next class, I will be waiting to listen here from everybody. Okay? Okay. Drisha, wait for the happy hour. Okay? And that day, I want each of you to introduce yourself. Okay? Now we have to go to the next portions. Okay? Let's do it. Now, everybody, turn over the page. No, sorry, close your books. Let's do max now. Okay? I'm sharing my screen. Sorry, I'm not able to hear everybody because we are constrained to time. I have to finish it. Okay? So, happy hour. I want you to introduce yourself. Sharing my screen. Close your books, everybody. Watch the screen. Today, we are going to learn what comes in between. So that's the question. What comes in between? I would write few questions here. Okay. 1-3, 2-4, 12-14. Okay. Then 3-5. Sorry, 6. Then 9-11 dash. Then, okay. Then we have 10-12. Okay. Then 35-37. Then I have 60-62. Okay, these are the numbers which I have it here. Now, I will be asking question. What comes after 1? Drisha, give me the answer. What comes after 1? 2. So we have to write 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then next child, Joanna Rose. What comes after 2? 3. Advika Praveen. What comes after 12? 13. Excellent. Keep it muted. Others do not. Those who had a chance, do not give the answer. Joanna, please mute it. Adya Rahul. What comes after 3? Adya Rahul. Mole unmute. I'm not able to hear. Speak. 4. After 4, what comes? 5. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Russian. What comes after 9? After 9, what comes, Russian? Look there. 10. Yes, 9, 10, and comes 11. Dhyan Madhav. What comes after 10?
11.
Very good. Sri Veda. What comes after 35? Sri Veda. 35 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് എന്താ വരാ മോളെ? After 35? 30?
36.
Very good. 35, 36, then comes 37. Now, Ivania, what comes after 60? What comes after 60? Aida, can you give the answer?
61.
Very good. 61. 60, 61, and 62. So, sometimes I may also put some questions like this. Missing numbers. Okay, see, I give 1 and I give dashes like this. Okay, and I may write 10 here. So you have to fill in the answers which come in the blanks. Okay, so how do you write? you have to write like this. After 1 comes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and comes 9. Okay, sometimes I may give dashes like this, 11 dash, 13 dash dash, and write 16 here. So what you will have to do, you have to start writing the answers there. How do you write it? You will write after 11 comes 12. 11, 12, 13 is already there. So don't write 13. After 13, what comes? 14. After 14 comes 15. Then comes 16. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and comes 16. So this is like what comes in between, and also the missing numbers may also come like this. Okay, so I want all my children to be ready for this. Okay, today I'll be sending you a small worksheet on max, what comes between. So please try to fill in what comes in there. Okay, and English, write the IG words and be prepared to introduce yourself. Okay, then body parts also you have to learn. Shall we wind up then? We have come to the end of the session. Let's wind up. Okay, children, see you all in the next session. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, remember, I did not ask many of you to introduce today because I didn't want to take time long. But for the next class, surely I will like to hear from everybody to introduce yourself. I want you to be boldly introducing yourself. Okay then? Bye-bye. See you
Excuse me,
all.
ma'am.
Yes. Who is it? Somebody.
I'm Muhammad Aidin's mom.
Yes, Mohammed Aidin's mommy. Speak.
സോറി, ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ്സിന്റെ ഇടയിൽ അറിയാണ്ട് അൺമ്യൂട്ട് ആയി പോയി. എല്ലാവരോടും സോറി ഫോർ ദ ഇൻകൺവീനിയൻസ്.
No. Okay. That's okay. Why your video is not working, Mohammed Aidin's mommy?
അത് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ സാധാരണ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ അവിടെ അല്ല ഇരുന്നത്. റേഞ്ചിന്റെ പ്രശ്നം കാരണം പുറത്തേക്ക് ആയിരുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് വീഡിയോ ഓഫ് ചെയ്തതാ.
Okay. I was not able to see the child. Okay, then thank you.
Bye, mom.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Love you too all.
I love you.